In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit published posts on Substack in the easiest way possible. Whether you're a Substack power user or you're just starting, editing your posts is straightforward once you know the steps. I'm here to guide you through this process to make sure your content is always polished and, more importantly, just how you want it. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to your Substack home. This is where all your Writing Hub activities begin and where you'll manage your posts. Once there, direct your attention to the Posts section. You should see the option to click on Posts right on the home page, which will take you to the area where all your writing is organized. Next, find and click on Published. This is crucial because it narrows down your view to the posts that have already been made public, exactly the ones you might need to tweak. If you have many posts, this view will help you quickly find what you need. Once you're in the Published section, you'll see a list of all your posts that are live. Scroll through your list and select the specific post you want to edit. There's usually a set of 3 dots next to each post, a menu button that houses further options. Click on these dots to reveal the next steps. Once you've clicked on those 3 dots, a new drop down will appear with the option Edit Post. Go ahead and click on this. This will lead you into the editable interface of your post where you can make the necessary updates and modifications. At this point, feel free to adjust your post's content, correct any typos, or update any information that may have changed. This area is fully flexible for your needs. After making changes, it's time to consider how you'll update your audience. Click on Update. Before you finalize, you will be prompted to decide if your post should be visible to everyone or only paid subscribers. Think about your audience and make the decision that best fits your intent. You'll also have the option to determine who can comment on your post. You can allow comments from everyone, or if it's sensitive content, you might choose no one. This is a great way to manage interaction and engagement as per your content needs. Adding tags can also enhance discoverability, so don't forget to tag your post appropriately. These tags help in categorizing your content and aid readers in finding topics of interest on Substack. Finally, if you're not ready to update immediately, or if you want your post to go live at a specific time, you have the option to schedule the update. Just click Schedule Time to Publish, but if you're all set, a click on Update Now will implement your changes. And there you have it, your edits are now live, reflecting the improved version of your content. With these simple steps, you can refine your work on Substack with ease and confidence. Happy editing!